So we were saying that when we go to the movies, of course, we have different types of movies that we can select, right? And then we buy the tickets. We can see science fiction movies, okay, or movies about superheroes like Deadpool, like Avengers, like Spider-Man, or maybe X-Men, or the League of the Justice, like Superman, etc. Then we can select movies for kids, like Lego, Playmobil, okay? Or we can see all these, like the ones that are in black and white. Because remember that first, the movies were in black and white. So, for example, that's why I put here a movie, okay, a picture where it says it seems to be a romantic one. Also, we can see scary movies, right, or mysterious movies like It, right, or The Blair Witch, or The Ring, or Insidious, etc. Okay, of course, there are also for kids or for all the family, like Sonic, okay, or like Mascotas, okay, or maybe you like a Mexican movie like El Tigre de Santa Julia, or maybe you like Fast and Furious action movies. So, depending on the movie, comedian movies are also very common movies to see. So, depending on the movie that you like to see, are the tickets that you're going to buy, okay? And we can buy to the movies. We can go to the movies in the afternoon or at night or on the weekends, okay? For example, in Mexico or in some places, on Wednesday we can have the special promotion, right, of plus two times one, okay? It means that there you can go with with somebody else, and you're going to pay just one ticket, right? And when you are in the movies, when you are in the cinema, I'm sorry, when you are in the cinema, you can, of course, we buy popcorns, we buy maybe a hot dog or chocolates or some other candies. We buy, of course, nachos, right? Nachos with cheese and a big, uh, a big beverage of Coke or Sprite, or maybe you can buy some ice cream, okay, etc. Okay. Now I add here some pictures, okay, about the oldest cinema, okay. Before we know Cinemex and Cinepolis, etc., the cinemas were like this, okay, were like this, and on the outside there were like this, okay. But now we have a very comfort place to go. It doesn't matter if you go to Cinemex or if you prefer Cinepolis, but there has they have good places to, so you can go and see and want to stay to see a movie, right? And some of them, like the VIP, on the old times there wasn't a VIP movie, a VIP room, but now we have some VIP places, right? In which you can also uh, eat sushi or boneless or different types of food, right? Of course, they are more expensive than the normal places, but it is worth it. And as you know, with the pandemia, well, of course, we at the beginning we couldn't go to the cinema. Now at this moment, at this nowadays, we can go, but just with a few people, and you can't go with children or older people. Sometimes it's not too nice to go alone or with other people. So I hope that maybe next year, I hope that we can return to our normal activities, and we can go to the cinema as we used to go before. Well, uh, for this activity, what is important is that you remember, or that you, if you have a situation like this on the test, that you have an ad. First of all, you have to identify the parts of an ad, okay, the parts, the name of the movie, I'm sorry, the name of the cinema, if it is an address, if it has an address, the name of the movies, if it comes if it comes from for if it comes a schedule, and all the possible information that you can see at in an ad. Okay, so you can identify and answer the questions in the English Scores platform, but of course in the test that we're going to have next week. Okay, well, if you have any question, any doubt, please let me know.